Stangosaurus vlog. It smells like straight up tire in here right now. Nonetheless, today is a big day for Stangosaurus because she's getting some new shoes. Right behind me, as you guys can probably see, I have managed to fit not only 4 wheels and tires, but lowering springs and the box of center caps and everything else that are associated with those wheels and tires. So give me props for that, you guys, because that right there is some excellent space management. But regardless, we are on our way right now to Mudgett's Auto Body in Vicksburg, Maryland. The only people I want working on my car. And of course, they are an auto body shop, but they do modifications as well. But let me focus on the drive and drink some more of my energy drink here so I can wake up, and I will see you guys in a couple seconds. Alright, so one more thing we gotta do before we go into Mudgett's, you guys, since they've been so nice to me, of course. Let's pick up some donuts. Alright, you guys, we are here, and we are back at it again for another round of fun for Stangosaurus at none other than Mudgett's Auto Body in Vicksburg, Maryland. Let's go. Alright, you guys, now the other fun part. I think I'm going to try to get all these wheels and tires out of here, see if we can actually do this. You guys, so one wheel, one lowering spring is now complete. Looking good already as far as the wheel setup goes, because I know you're curious. The Performance Pack rear wheel setup is 9.5 inches wide. These new HREs are 11 inches wide, so definitely going to give me some better grip. And not only that, as far as the weight savings goes, Performance Pack wheels come in at 34 pounds. These HREs come in at 24 pounds. So not only lighter, but wider, which is always a good thing. And as far as the spring setup, 1.5 inches is going to lower it in the front, 1.3 in the back, giving better handling and a little better fitment as well, of course. So I am quite excited to see what this ends up turning out like. This is like Christmas Day, I swear, you guys. Let's go back in. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but this is the new front tire. This is the old rear tire. So even the new front tire is 10 inches in diameter, and this one being 9.5. So everything is wider. This is gonna be nice. Also, another thing with the HRE wheels, they actually give you new, smaller lug nuts, although I believe they said you can use the factory ones, but they do give you smaller ones to come with the wheels, so that is pretty nice, along with the center caps in this thing, of course, as well. Just for a little comparison's sake, you guys, these are the stock ones. Those are the ones that HRE gave us, and quite a bit of a difference, I gotta say, but definitely digging these more. I like how the silver goes with the silver on the HRE center caps as well. I could have satin black lug nuts to go with it, but I honestly kind of like this. It stands out, makes more of a statement. Looks good.
I just gotta do the sensors.
Oh yeah, that's right. So that's what it looks like in the back. It is absolutely flush. It's perfect. And now the front. Nicely tucked. Got some room. Just a little bit there. All right, you guys, real quick, B-roll. Alright, in case you guys are wondering, right now we are getting the tire pressure monitor programmed, and that is what you're looking at right now, but that way the car can tell me when the tire pressure gets low again. I did pay to have the wheels and tires assembled with them, so that is what we are doing right now. And this is going to be the final stage of the process, so big thanks to this guy in my car right now. He is the man doing this for 17 years. And of course, Mudge's Auto Body. They are doing an excellent job. And the car looks absolutely amazing. And so the car is all done now, you guys. We are about to go do some alignment in a couple seconds here. But before we do that, we have to celebrate with a little bit of fun. We have an 86 S10 coming around the corner here. And we're going to see if we can set off the fire alarm. Not sure where all these tire marks are coming from.
Who opened the door?
No, it's opening back up. We're off to get the alignment now, just a couple seconds away here. So that is the last finishing touch to really make this thing absolutely perfect. And the alignment place we're going to is actually a performance shop as well. So we're going to see what else they got in their lot, because I have a feeling they're going to have some pretty nice cars. But anyways, it is called Revolution Motorworks again in Finksburg, Maryland. And they are the ones that are going to be hooking us up with the alignment here in a couple seconds. Yep, she looks good. So we are wrapping it up now at Revolution Motorworks in Finksburg, Maryland. By the way, if you guys want more information on both Mudge's Auto Body and Revolution Motorworks, they'll be in the description box just below there. So if you're thinking of doing something similar to your vehicle, or if you need an alignment for any vehicle really, feel free to stop by and they can help you out there. But this has truly been a fun and exciting day for me. Like I said, it's like Christmas morning. This is fun. So anyways, I'll be back with you guys in a couple seconds, and we're gonna go for the drive home after we get all these stock wheels back in the car once again. It's been a fun day putting those in that thing.
A few minutes later.
And so we are on our way back, you guys. That was definitely an eventful day. That is literally took me all day. Left the house at 7 a.m. this morning. I am going to get home at around 5:09 according to Google Maps here, but in the end it was all worth it, because Stangosaurus looks absolutely amazing now. And I know you guys are wondering some of these questions. As far as rubbing goes, there is no rubbing whatsoever. So although I did lower the car a good bit, 1.5 inches in the front, 1.3 in the back, there is no rubbing. So it is safe to lower with the Eibach lowering springs with a 20-inch wheel setup, and you're not going to have any issues. As far as ride quality goes, honestly, you are going to feel a little bit more of the road with the lowering springs. That is to be expected. But personally, I can't really tell the difference between this ride quality and the performance pack with the 19-inch wheel setup that I previously had taken off today. So if it did make a difference, it was not all that noticeable. But what I do like is the handling does feel quite a bit tighter, especially in these back roads here in Pennsylvania. And I have always enjoyed sitting lower to the ground. It does make you feel more connected to the road. Overall, I am extremely happy with what got done today. And one more time, if you guys are thinking about doing any of this stuff to your own vehicle, Mudge's Auto Body as well as Revolution Motorworks, their links to their websites will be in the description box below. So feel free to check them out if you're in the Maryland area or Southern PA as well. But that is about going to do it for this one, you guys. Be sure you subscribe, because once again, this is not the last modification coming to Stangosaurus. I'm not going to go too crazy, of course, because I don't want it to look weird, but I'm going to keep it clean with the modifications. But all I am saying is this is not the last modification. So feel free to subscribe, and as always,